Alright, legendary duelist time, everybody. Alright, so we got promo and two packs. Whatever. Alright. We got a Gorgon of Ultra Evolution. And then we got Jesse Anderson. Which is a useless card to me, and I don't like it, but whatever. Still a cool looking card. The holographic artwork in it. Alright, let's have at it. First one is Toon, Dark Magician Girl. Alright, got some tunes in here. Crystal Blessing. Evil Eyes, Darkness, Metal Dragon. Red Eyes, Darkness, Metal Dragon. And then Malefic, Red Eyes, Black Dragon. Some of these cards might go good in my Joey deck. I'll just have to read into them some other time. Rainbow Dark Dragon. I still have 5 genres deck to build. I got my Yugi deck to finish. It's mostly done. And I got my Kaiba deck to build, my Joey deck to build, my zombie deck to build, and my fire deck to build. Corrosive Scales. And I don't have cards for most of them. But eventually, someday I will. Toon, Ancient Gear Golem. It's just gonna take a lot of money and a lot of time because I don't buy singles. I buy product only. Toon, Mermaid. And some of the stuff I need for my decks is out of print, so it's gonna be hard to find. Well, some of the stuff I would want to put in my deck at least. Proton Blast. I'm gonna have to go to locals pretty soon and try and pick up some stuff. Soonish, I'm not worried about it right now though. Emergoid Call. Emergoid Call. I said droid. Emergoid Call. Alright, Fury, Kairushin. Rainbow Overdragon. Citadel Well. Citadel Well. A Barrel Dragon. Crystal Beast Amethyst Cat. Did I even show Barrel Dragon? I don't think I did. Alright, as I was saying, Crystal Beast Amethyst Cat. I hate cats. I'm a dog person. I don't like cats. Not that that would keep me from playing the card if it's any good. Rainbow Dragon. Did I already pull one of these in the exact same pack? Why Konami? Why Konami? Why? Crystal Beacon. And then Toon Cannon Soldier. That is ugly looking. A soldier right there. Look at it, it was horrible. The artwork on that. Ooh. Stupid tune. Alright, one more pack and then I can go to bed. Alright, here we go. Toon Barrel Dragon. I think I pulled a Barrel Dragon and now I got the Toon one too. Very nice, very nice. Even though I know nothing about it. I pulled a Barrel Soldier and then a Barrel Dragon. That's what it was. I think. I'm not sure. Illusionist. Faceless Magician. I don't know if I really said exactly what this is. This is the Legendary Duelist season 1. I'm not quite sure if I said that at the beginning. Toon Defense. Alright, then I got Ancient Gear Gadget. Red Eyes. Ravern. Something, I don't know. Help me out. I don't know how to pronounce it. Machina Res Scavenger. I don't know how to pronounce it again. Then I got Relinquished Fusion. Then I got Millennium Eyes Illusionist. I don't know enough about these, but I've been getting green and purple and blue and red, and I don't know what it means. Are these like different holographics? I don't know. I didn't look enough into them. Advanced Dark, but I don't know. I don't know if it means something different, if it's a different thing than Ultimate Rare, but whatever. I don't know if it's like a different version of it. Who knows? I don't know if they're still considered Ultimate Rare or not, or what. I do not know. Return of the Red Eyes. Card that I did not need because I already have quite a few copies of this. Anyways. Rage of the Ryuju Shin. Ryuju Shin. Ryuju. Alright, next card. Sorry, I hit the camera there. Time Machine. Alright. I played this card a lot in a lot of my older decks. I mean, it's good. Why not play it? I don't know if I want to play it in any of my decks. I'm just saying it's pretty good. Rainbow Gravity. Alright, Toon Cyber Dragon. These cards bring like a lot of memories of my older decks. And the older packs that I used to buy when I was younger. Toon Mermaid. I never played Toons. I never really liked them. I never really liked the Toon decks. I've beaten a lot of Toon decks over the years. Too. With my spellcaster decks. How ironic. Megaroid City. Toon Gemini Elf. Toon Ancient Gear Golem. I think I pulled a playset of this, didn't I? I think I did. Or I at least pulled 2 of them. Alright, YouTube, that's it. See ya.